Hello viewers, today I'm showcasing two original fusion and yummy sweet recipes for Diwali. I'll show you how to make a paneer banana chocolate tart and dessert. One is a bit complicated and another very easy to make. This is a double Dhamaka Diwali recipe, unique and delicious. For this recipe, I'll be using homemade paneer or chhana. This is around 384 grams as you can see, but exact measurements aren't really needed. You can adjust quantities according to your taste. I'll also be using ready-made sweet pastry case. 100 grams of dark chocolate with 70% cocoa. 300 milliliters of double cream. 3 to 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 6 to 7 tablespoons of icing sugar or powdered sugar, 50 grams of unsalted butter, and 1 ripe banana. Let's begin by kneading the paneer or the chhana. Break it up, crumble it, then knead it into a smooth ball. Follow the process that I am doing here. We are removing the moisture from the chhana and now it's turned into a smooth ball. That's the chhana dough ready. Break the chocolate into a heat-proof bowl as I'm doing here. Melt the butter in a saucepan. Then add the brown sugar to it and let the butter and the sugar melt. Do this over a low flame. Then pour the double cream into the pan. Blend it all with a spatula. Give the pan a stir. Then add some vanilla essence into the pan. I am using a very good quality Madagascar vanilla bean paste, as you can see. Bring the cream to a boil. Pour it over the chocolate. Give it a stir and then set it aside for the chocolate to fully melt. Now we need to work with the paneer or chhana to make what is essentially a Bengali sandesh dough. Break the chhana up in a pan and put the icing sugar in. Now you need to mix and cook both the ingredients over low flame like I'm doing here. It will take around 5 minutes for the sandesh dough to be ready. You can see that it's all coming together now. Give the chocolate and cream mixture a mix so that everything is blended in. And now we are going to add the chhana or paneer or sandesh mixture into the chocolate and blend it in with a spatula. You need to do this in batches. It's blended in, but still is a bit grainy. But I like the grainy texture. You can do this with a spatula or with an electric whisk. And the smoothness can be totally according to your own tastes. You can leave it slightly grainy or make it totally smooth. That's our delicious tart filling ready. Let's arrange the tart now. The paneer banana chocolate sweet tart. Add bananas to the base of your sweet tart as I am doing here. Then pour the chocolate paneer filling on top of the bananas and into the tart case. And smoothen it out. Now it is going to go into the fridge for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. Now let's make the easier version of this recipe, which does not require a tart case but is equally delicious. Arrange the banana slices in a pot and pour the chocolate chhana filling into it. Decorate on top with a chocolate dipped meringue to make it look pretty and put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. It's time to take our delicious paneer banana chocolate tart and dessert pot out of the fridge. You can see that they are perfectly set. Our pretty paneer chocolate dessert pot is ready to eat, but the tart needs a bit of decorating. I'm going to keep it simple and use a cake stencil to make a simple decoration with icing sugar. Sprinkle some icing sugar over the stencil as I'm doing here to make some pretty hearts. That looks lovely. This Diwali, try out this amazing, original, real fusion and utterly delicious recipe at home to impress your friends and family. Let me cut the paneer banana chocolate tart for you to show how neatly it is all set. Wishing you all a delicious and very happy Diwali. If you liked this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more. Enjoy!